Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's topic is how to use the Krisp voice suspension feature on your Discord account. This suspension feature will allow you to suppress your microphone voice so that the performance of the background voice increases. Let's get started. Just go directly to your pre-installed Discord app. As you open the app, click on the server that you already have on your Discord account. I'll click on the General tab. As you see this screen, just go to these lines icon. This is the voice suspension. Just click on it and the voice suspension is off. When you click on it again, your voice suspension will automatically turn on. That's about it. Thank you for being with us till the end. If you liked the video or if the video was helpful, do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon below so that you get notified each and every single time we upload a new video for you. Thank you.